In the previous class, we learned about the algebraic expression, how to add the algebraic expression, and how to find the like terms, unlike terms, and also we found how to represent the algebraic expression in the number line system, that is x plus 4, x plus 2, and x minus 4, x like that. So that is all we learned in the previous class, that is about algebraic expression. So it is a combination of variables and constant, and they are connected with the help of basic operations, that is mathematical basic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay, so now in this class we are going to learn the subtraction process. The subtraction process, that is exercise 1 in that class name, that is subtract subtract. Okay, so in that first question is 4a minus 7ab plus 3b plus 12 from 12a minus 9ab plus 5b minus plus 5b minus. Our question is 4a minus 7ab plus 3b plus 12 from 12a minus 9ab plus 5b minus 10. So here we have to give concentration on the sign as well as this term from. So that means we have to subtract this algebraic expression from this algebraic expression, because it is known that, so this expression we have to subtract from 12a minus 9ab plus 5b minus 10. So therefore I will write that term, that second algebraic expression in the first part. So that is 12a minus 9ab plus 5b minus 3. And this is subtraction process, so therefore I will use the bracket. Then subtraction, that's why I will put one negative sign here. And then in the second bracket I will write the first expression, that is 4a minus 7ab plus 3b plus 12. I will close the bracket. Just look at this step. So what we have to do here? We have to subtract 4a minus 7ab plus 3b plus 12 from 2a minus 9ab plus 5b minus 10. Then we will remove the bracket. So it becomes 12a minus 9ab plus 5b minus 10. It remains as it is, because there is no multiplication of any other sign. Now for the second algebraic expression we have a negative sign. So therefore we have to multiply, because this bracket represents multiplication. So that's why we have to multiply this negative sign to each of this term. So that's why it becomes, so minus into plus, it becomes minus 4a. Minus into minus, it becomes plus 7ab. Minus into plus, minus 3b. Minus into plus, minus. Okay, first term I wrote as it is, that is 12a minus 9ab plus 5b minus 3. And for the second term, I multiplied with the help of negative sign. Minus into plus, minus. 4a remains as it is, because there is no other term to multiply. Then minus into minus plus 7ab as it is. Then minus into plus, minus 3b, minus into plus, minus 2. Now I will rearrange this expression. So it is a combination of first and second expression. I will rearrange. That means I will take the like term on side. That is equals to 12a, one term over, and here it is minus 4a. The next another term having only a, no, there is no other term. Then next one I will consider minus 9a here, plus along with the sign we have to consider. Okay, along with the sign we have to rearrange. It becomes plus 7a. The next I will consider plus 5b. Then here it is minus 3b. Then next one is constant term, that is minus 3. Then it is minus 2. Okay, we have to put one small underline. We have to underline the digits or terms which we consider. Then here 12a minus 4a, and here variable is a, only a. That's why they are like. We can add or subtract. And 12 is having positive sign and 4 is having negative sign. This becomes dash. 12a minus 4a becomes dash. Comment with the answer fast. 12a minus 4a becomes dash. So both are having different signs, therefore we have to subtract from the higher number to lower. 12 minus 4, it becomes 8. Here remains as this. And sign of the highest term. Highest term is 12 here, that's why it becomes plus 8. These two are like terms, that is minus 9ab plus 7a. These two are like terms because the variable is a. Then they are having different sign. One is having negative, one is having positive. That's why we have to subtract. So from 9 minus 7, it becomes 2ab, and sign of highest term is minus. Then I will consider next two terms, that is 5b and minus 3b. Variable is b, that's why they are like terms, and we have to subtract here because signs are different. So 5b minus 3b, it becomes 2b, and sign of highest term is plus a. The next two terms, minus 3, minus 2, it becomes minus 5. Both are having same sign, that's why we have to add along with the same sign. So that's why our answer is 8a minus 9ab plus 2b minus 5. Just verify your answer. Verify and comment your answer first. So it is 12. So it becomes 15. Okay. The next one. Second question. Again, we have to subtract the numbers. The second one is subtract 3xy plus 5y plus 5z minus 7zx. The first terms are 3xy plus 5yz minus 7zx from 5xy minus 2yz minus 2zx plus 10xyz plus 10xyz. Second expression is 5xy minus 2yz minus 2zx plus 10xyz. These are the two expressions. Now what we have to do, we have to subtract this expression from the second expression. So that's why I will write this expression at the beginning. So it becomes 5xy minus 2yz minus 2zx plus 10xyz plus 10xy. I will close the bracket. Then negative sign, because we have to subtract the first algebraic expression from the second. That's why I wrote the second algebraic expression at the beginning. Then I put the negative sign. Then I will write the first algebraic expression. So it becomes 3xy plus 5yz minus 7zx minus 7zx. Now I will remove the bracket. So it becomes 5xy minus 2yz minus 2zx plus 10xyz. Then next I have to multiply this negative sign to each of this term. Minus into plus minus 3xy. Minus into plus minus 5yz. Minus into minus plus 7zx. Now do the next step and comment me the answer fast. So next step is we have to rearrange the terms. We have to rearrange the terms. Fast. So I will rearrange the terms and I will take the like term inside. First term is 5xy. Then here xy, that is minus 3xy. The next one is minus 2yz. Then here minus 5yz. The next term I consider minus 2zx. Minus 2zx. Then here plus 7zx. And the remaining is plus 10xyz. Plus 10xyz. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here are 7 terms are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we'll add or subtract the like terms. So xy, xy. These are the variables. That's why here these two terms are like terms. But one is having positive sign and another one is having negative sign. That's why we have to subtract. So 5 minus 3, it is 2xy. And sign of highest term is plus 3. Then I will consider next two terms. Yz are the variable and both are having the same sign. We have to add. So 2 plus 5, it becomes 7yz along with the same sign, that is negative. Then zx is the variable. So one is having negative, another is having positive sign. That's why we have to subtract. 7 minus 2, it becomes 5zx. And sign of highest term is plus. And the last term, it does not have any like terms. That's why it remains as it is. Just look at the steps and comment your answer fast. Two xy minus 7yz plus 5zx plus 10xyz is the answer. If you understood this, just click on the like button. The next one. The third problem, 4p square cube minus 3p cube plus 5p cube square minus 8p plus 7 cube minus 10 from 18 minus 3p minus 11q plus 5pq minus 2pq square plus 5p square. These are the two algebraic expressions. The first one is 4p square cube minus 3pq plus 5pq square minus 8p plus 7q minus 10, and this algebraic expression you have to subtract from 18 minus 11q plus 5q minus 2pq square plus 5p square. Now I will use the bracket. 18 minus 3. So we have to subtract first algebraic expression from second. That's why I will write that first. Minus 11q plus 5pq minus 2pq square plus 5p square. Okay, minus 11q plus 5pq minus 2pq square plus 5p square. The negative sign. Then I will write the first expression, that is 4p square cube minus 3pq plus 5pq square minus 8p plus 7q minus 7 minus. Then I will remove the bracket. 18 minus 3p minus 11q plus 5pq minus 2pq square plus 5p square. Then I have to multiply the negative sign to each of this term. Minus into plus minus 4p square cube minus into minus plus 3p cube minus into plus minus 5p square minus into minus plus 8p minus into plus minus 7q minus into minus plus 10. So here minus into plus minus minus into minus plus minus into plus minus minus into minus plus, then minus into plus minus minus into minus plus. Now I will rearrange this and I will take the like terms on side. Then another constant term is here 10 plus 10. Along with the sign we have to consider. Then minus 3p, then here plus 8p, plus 8p, then minus 11q, here minus 7q, then 5pq plus 5p plus 5pq, then here plus 3p. The next term is minus 2p square, minus 2p square cube, sorry, it is pq square, minus 2pq square, then here minus 5pq square, and the next term is plus 5p square plus 5p square cube, then minus 4p square, minus 4p square. So now we rearrange all the terms. Now we will add or subtract the like terms. 18 plus 10, it becomes 28. Then minus 3p plus 8p, they are having different sign, that we have to subtract. It becomes 5p, and sign of highest term is plus 5. Then both are having a negative sign and a like term, therefore we have to add along with the same sign. Sign is negative. 11 plus 7, it becomes 18q. Then 5p cube plus 3p cube, it becomes plus 8p cube. Then minus 2p2 square minus 5p2 square. Both are like terms and signs are just the same. That's why we are at. And along the same sign, sign is negative, it becomes 7p2 square. Then the next like terms are having variable as p square cube and signs are different. That we have to subtract along the sign of highest term. Highest term is plus and 5 minus 4 it is 1. It becomes p square cube. Just look at the answer. Okay, first we have to understand the problem correctly. What is given here? We have the first expression is given and we have to subtract the first expression from the second. That's why we have to write the second expression at the beginning. The negative sign in the second bracket, we have to put the first expression. Okay. The next one is multiplication process. How to multiply the monomial into monomial, how to multiply monomial into binomial and binomial into binomial. Just I will give one small introduction about this. So if you consider x and y, if you want to multiply this, so here x is a single term. That means in an algebraic expression, if it contains a single term, then it is called as monomial. And the second expression is also having single term. That's why it is a multiplication of monomial into monomial. Multiplication of monomial and monomial. So x into y, it becomes xy. If for example I have x as negative value and y, x into y, xy, minus into plus, minus. Then, if for example x is positive and y value is negative, x into y, xy, plus into minus, minus. We have to multiply all the terms. Here there is no like terms or unlike terms. We have to multiply each term. But we have to give importance to the sign. Then minus x into minus y, x into y, xy again. Minus into minus plus. So in all the cases, we got the product as xy, but there is a change in the sign. That depends upon the values we consider. It is a multiplication of monomial and monomial. Now in the next case, one is x, another one is x plus y. So the first expression having single term, that's why it is known as monomial, and the second expression is having two terms, that's why we have to call it as binomial. Bi means two. And this multiplication is called as multiplication of monomial and binomial. Multiplication of monomial and binomial. In this case, we have to multiply this monomial to each term of the binomial. So that means along with the sign. So we have to consider the sign. Here there is no sign, means it is positive. Plus into plus, plus. X into x, xy. Then again we have to multiply the sign. Plus into plus, it is plus. X into second. X into y is x. So in multiplication of monomial and binomial, you have to multiply the monomial to each term of the binomial. So these are the two terms of the binomial, and we have to multiply these two terms to the monomial along with the sign we have to consider. Then for example, if it is 3 into x plus 4. So what I have to do? I have to multiply 3 to each term and along with the same, along with the sign. Plus into plus, plus 3 into x, it becomes 3x. Then plus into plus, plus 3 into 4, 3 4s are 12. It becomes 3x plus 2. Just look at this there. The next one. Multiplication of binomial and binomial. If I consider here the first expression as x plus y and second expression as 4 plus x. So the first algebraic expression having two terms, that's why it is called as binomial, and the second expression is also having two terms, that's why it is called as binomial. And multiplication of these two binomial is known as multiplication of binomial and binomial. So in what we have to do is we have to multiply, we have to consider any one binomial and we have to multiply each term of that binomial to the next binomial. That means I consider the first term of the first binomial x into 4 plus x into 4 plus x into 4 plus x. Then next along with the sign plus y. You have to multiply it to this. It becomes 4 plus x. So that means, so we are reducing the binomial multiplication of binomial and binomial into multiplication of monomial and binomial. See here, it is a single term, it is monomial, and it is having two terms, it is binomial, and combined it is known as multiplication of monomial and binomial. Now again we have to do the same step. We have to multiply x into 4, it becomes 4x, plus into plus, plus x into x, it becomes x square. Then next term, plus into plus, plus y into 4, it becomes 4y, plus into plus, plus y into x, it is xy. Here there is no like terms because it is our x. It has an x square as a variable, it is having y, and it is having xy as a variable. So that's why here all the terms are unlike terms. That's why we can't add or subtract. Just look at this step. Now next one, next exercise is exercise 6.2. That is, I will consider exercise. So find the product of the following pairs of monomial. Find the product. Find the product. The first one is 4, 7, 4, 7, 3. So how we can write this? I'll write this as 4 into 7. 4 7. How much? Tell me the answer fast. 4 into 7. 28. Okay, 4 7s are 28. into p. The next one, second one, minus 4p comma 7, minus 4p comma 7p. So I will write that in bracket, minus 4p into 7p. First we will multiply the sign. Minus into plus, it becomes minus. 4 sevens are. Again same answer it will give 28. P into p, it becomes p square. So here p into p, it does not becomes 2p, it becomes p square. Okay, here directly multiplication, there is no negative sign. So it becomes plus 4 sevens are 28 into p. Then minus into minus, minus into plus, it becomes minus. 4 sevens are 28. P into p, it becomes p square. So the next third one, comment with the answer for this. Minus 4p, 7p. Comment with the answer first. Minus 4p into 7p. Just multiply the terms and comment with the answer. Minus 4p and 7pq are the two terms, and now we have to multiply the two terms. So Fatima gave minus 28p square cube and also Imam. Any other answers? So I'll write the terms in the bracket, 4p into 7p cube minus into plus, minus 4 7 are 28, p into p square, and there is only one single cube, that's why I write directly. So the next one, 4p cube minus 3p. 4p cube minus 3p. Coming to the answer first. 4p cube into minus 3 first, and similarly the fifth one, 4p comma 0. 4p into 0. So comment with the answer first. Here first I will multiply the sign. Plus into minus, it becomes minus. 4 3s are 12. Then p cube and here p. So it becomes p raised to 4, because you know that k raised to m. And similarly I will write k raised to n. Or I will consider directly 10 square into 10 cube. So it becomes 10 raised to 2 plus 3. So it becomes 10 raised to 5. Similarly here p cube and p, that means p raised to 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. P raised to 2. In the next term, 4p into 0. And we know that 0 into anything is 0. That's why I write that answer as 0. Just look at the steps. Okay, thank you everyone. I will explain in the next class.